Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G32. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Nextly, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, you need to choose I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to, and then to close it, tap on OK. Select Close in white pop-up at the top, and finally tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now we'll receive Next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Motorola, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. You can choose Yes, I agree or No, thanks. After tapping on the best option, tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top, and from them choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. Then click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. In some of those categories, Contacts and Files, you need to tap on Allow button and choose Gray Switcher next to Allow Access, or tap on Allow in the pop-up. So when I select all of my files, in my case only those two, I can tap on Send and finally hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Over here you need to decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on Motorola. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key, just click on Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers before they expire. And last but not least, hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!